Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Um, Yesterday we had been discussed about basics, right? Like what are the tags, right? What are the type of tags we are going to use in HTML, and how to insert the image. What are the paid and unpaid tags? What is the image tag will do? What is the anchor tag will do? What is HR? What is where? The basic tags we had been discussed about that. But today our topic is about heading tags, paragraphs, and formatting tags, right? Already we seen about the heading tags and paragraph 2. Today we will discuss that some more examples with some more examples. It's a small video because you people want to know about this formatting tags. Basically, the concept of formatting tags is to style the fonts, okay, to make the text more beautiful or a different way to convey importance. Okay, that's the main use. Okay, before going to that, it's a basic idea to need about heading tags. Already we discussed it's h1 to h6 based on the priority or based on the boldness you want to use. For the heading purpose we are going to use that, and as a paragraph we know that it's a paid tag. Heading tags is also paid tags, but paragraphs, yeah, paragraphs is used to write para. Okay, basically the formatting tags. Okay, there are formatting tags like bold, strong. Okay, all formatting tags will comes under the category of paid tags. Okay, italic, emphasis, delete, strike. Okay, insert, mark, small. Okay, subscript, superscript. Okay, then pre, and then you will be having code. Okay, these are the some of the formatting tags. Okay, around 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay, yeah, we will do that in a practical manner. No issue with that. Okay, just go for the VS code. Yesterday we had been discussed this. In the same way, just create a new file like file 3.html. Okay, after creation use the shift and exclamatory, I mean one at the same time, and control B to close the left side window, and just type it as day 3. Okay, day 3. Okay, next while coming to the part of heading tag. Right, yesterday we had been discussed about this heading tag and paragraph tag, right? Just we run that and we will see the output once. Open with live server. Okay, it's opening. Just see here, hello world, hello, welcome to HTML, and this is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, and this is a paragraph. Okay, next. So let's apply inline CSS. Okay, just use the style. I want color is to red. Okay, just see that its color is red. Okay, I want to change the background. How you will change the background? How you will change? You have to use, this is internal CSS. Okay, just use the style. No issue with that. It's just some more new topic regarding CSS, but I want to make some beautifulness to our web page. Um, just take the asterisk background color as, just use the light colors. Light gray. Okay, yeah, it's gray, right? Or you can use light. Okay, it's good to view, right? Yeah, it's completed, and we will discuss that CSS in our upcoming classes. I basically, for basic understanding, just look at this. It's an inline CSS. Inline CSS will be applied at starting tag. Okay, and it's internal CSS. That means we can apply inside of the HTML page. And there is one more way. We will discuss that in our upcoming class. Okay. This about the HTML and paragraphs, and just we look at about what we will see. We'll see about the formatting tags. Okay, just we look at the formatting tags. H1, it's a formatting tags in html. Okay, and what is the first, take the paragraph. Let's take the lorem 5 and press the enter. So, or else you can use like, okay, b hello, right, hello world. What is our output? Let's see this, right, it's a hello world. In the same way, if I use b, in not b, I want to use the strong. Okay, it's a formatting tag, strong. I'm strong. Okay, strong. Okay, just see this, it's strong, same. Okay, and next I want to use emphasis, like emphasis, what it will tell it emphasis, right? Just I want to italic, just use I. Okay, italic style. Okay, uh, after this take the br, after this take the br. Okay, both are same. Just use the delight, and just use strike 2. Okay, strike, it's a strike basically. Yeah, they are coming in same line. Just use the break, which is a unpaid tag. Okay, or else use another break to provide some space, right? Okay, and let's use insert. Okay, hello, right, hello means it's underline, right? Just use underline, and you can use like underline. Okay, just use br, and br into 2. Okay, right, it's br. Okay, yeah, you got it, underline, right? Yeah, this said about, just use the mark. Okay, mark, mean why you're not getting, just take para with the lorem 5, and I want to use mark as mark. Okay, maybe, okay, just stop this working of internal css. Let's see this, this is the use of mark. Okay, it will highlight the text with the background of yellow color. Okay, that's the use of mark. And let's use small. Okay, let's take br into 2. It's a small, right? I think big is available. Yeah, big, we can use big, right? Just use br, and br into 2 or 1. Okay, no issue. Yeah, next I want to use subscript. Subscript is nothing but, just take example of h2 and subscript, right? Subscript, like wo. How you will get that h2o, right? Just see this h2o. And if I want squares, right, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of superscript. Okay, 2. Okay, 2 power 2. Okay, basically subscript is nothing but, if you want to get the this down 0, I mean wo, h2o. And if I want powers in the type, you can use the superscript. That's the main use. And next, if I want to use I mean hello. Okay, and I want to space world, hello world. This is html 5, sorry, html5, right? What you will see, how we are writing the text inside the that they are displaying in the same way. While coming to this paragraph, how they will display the paragraphs, they will display irrespective of content you will write. Just take if I take para, okay, I leave the some space, and I want to write lorem, sorry, lorem 5. Even though I have left some space in between the para, but how they are printing, just look at this, they are printing irrespective of our mentioning, right? So if I use the pre tag, it's a formatting tag, we can display our text message as much our wish. Okay, how you want to display the text, the gaps will be maintained there. Okay, that's the difference. And next, while coming to the part of last one, it's a code. Code is nothing but already some people are aware of Java code, right? I use it to upload the videos of Java too. If you have an interest, just look at that too. Hello world, okay? Just see that whether it's displays. Yes, it was working. I mean, it was reading, right? Yeah. Okay, just I haven't a doubt whether it reads 5 plus 6. If it works with the Java code, it has to give, but it was not giving anything. Just it was simply writing the text what it was present. Okay, okay, no issue with that. Next, I think ABBR, uh, automatic teller machine. What is abbreviation for which? Like it's an ATM abbreviation, right? Yeah. If I over here, it will shows that automatic teller machine. That's the case we are going to use this. Okay, as a HR. Okay, if you're holding of this, it will give, right? That is the use of ABBR. Okay, these are all examples of formatting tags. It's a bold tag, and it's a strong tag. It's emphasis, italic, delete and strike will same way, insert and underline is same way, because some of the tags are introduced in the HTML5. So that's the case. We are going to have the same kind, different names with the same functionality. Okay, it's a mark tag, and it's a small tag, it's a big tag, it's a subscript, it's a superscript, it's a pre tag. Okay, it's a paragraph, and it's a code tag, and it's a ABBR abbreviation tag. Okay, these are some of the formatting tags that can be used to highlight our text. Okay, example, if you're writing a blog, you want to highlight some text, right? In that case, you can use these text formatting tags. Okay, no issue with that. uh I was forgotten about this. I want you people to know about features of HTML5. Okay, just look at that. Semantic tags will be introduced. Okay, we'll look at this, but you people to know about what are the features of HTML5 has taken care. Okay, just look at this. The first one is about semantic tags, right? Next one is about video and audio tags, and you will be having the APIs, right? New APIs like geolocation API, because if you want to get the location of particular thing, you can get it by using geolocation. And web storage like local storage and system storage. If you are going to the inspect, okay, and just inspect and go for the applications, and you are able to see the here local storage, and you can see the session storage too. Okay, and those are provided here. I mean, it's a feature of HTML5. Okay, before the HTML5 there is no features. Okay, next, drag and drop APIs. Okay, and web workers. Okay, web workers. Okay, I will show that drag and drop and web, we'll discuss that, but I forgot it. It should be at the front, but it's a late. Okay, but web workers, and it allows run in background, improves, right? Web workers basically, web workers will allow the background working like chart applications, I think so. Yeah, web sockets, like bidirectional communication. Okay, these are some features. Okay, basically it's a features. Okay, what are the features you had been covered? Okay, let's discuss about features, some intro. Okay, features of HTML5. What is the first feature? Okay, okay, just take, don't concentrate on the code, just listen to this. Okay, I mean, we have discussed now some types, right? What is the first one? It's about semantic tags, right? And what is the next one? Next one about audio, and next one about video, right? And what about next one? What about next one? It's geolocation. um, and next we discussed about web worker, right? And we also discussed about web socket, and we are also discussed about what is the remaining thing, drag and drop, right? drag and drop. These are the some features of HTML5. Okay, if you go for web page, you will be having right, these are some of the features. Okay, don't concentrate on the code. We will discuss the list topics in our upcoming class. OL stands for list, it's a type is a attribute, and L stands for the list, Li stands for the list. Okay, no issues with that, but be focused and practice daily problems, I mean daily classes, because I was used to telling these classes uh, with a less time period, so you can learn this and you can practice more examples. If you have any doubt, just comment me below. mm, yeah, that's all about today's class, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.